Hey friends, here's a fun, engaging, and trending story designed for B1 learners of English. The story revolves around 5 close friends living in the same house. It uses simple vocabulary, realistic dialogue, and everyday situations to help learners improve their English skills. Let's hear the story from my friend, Nia.
The missing pizza. It was Friday night, and everyone was in the living room. Emma was reading a book, Liam was strumming his guitar, and Jake was playing a video game. Sophia was scrolling through her phone, and Lucy was in the kitchen cooking. "I'm starving," Jake said, putting down his controller. "When is the pizza coming?" "I ordered it an hour ago," Sophia replied. "It should be here by now." Just then, the doorbell rang. "I'll get it," Liam said, jumping up. He opened the door, but there was no one there. Instead, there was an empty pizza box on the doorstep. "What?" Liam shouted. "Who steals a pizza and leaves the box?" The friends gathered around the empty box, looking confused. "This is a crime," Jake said, shaking his head. "Who would do something so evil?" "Maybe it's a prank," Emma suggested. "Or maybe it was the neighbor's dog," Lucy said. "He's always hanging around." Sophia shook her head. "We need to find out who did this. Let's check the security camera outside." The group crowded around Jake's laptop as he connected to the camera. The video showed a delivery man placing the pizza on the doorstep. A few minutes later, a teenager on a bicycle came by, looked around, and grabbed the box. "Unbelievable!" Sophia exclaimed. "Relax," Liam said. "It's just a kid. Let's order another pizza." But Sophia wasn't ready to give up. "No way. We're going to find him." The friends decided to walk around the neighborhood. After 20 minutes, they spotted the teenager sitting in the park with a group of friends. "That's him," Emma whispered. "Let me handle this," Lucy said, walking up to the boy. "Hey, did you take our pizza?" The boy looked guilty. "I'm sorry," he said. "I was really hungry." Lucy smiled. "Next time, just ask. We would have shared it with you." The group returned home and finally ordered another pizza. This time, they waited by the door to make sure it wasn't stolen. "That was the weirdest Friday night ever," Jake said, laughing. "But it was fun," Emma added. As they ate, Liam started singing a funny song about the pizza thief, and everyone joined in, laughing and enjoying the moment. A Christmas to remember. It was the first week of December, and the friends decided to decorate the house for Christmas. "Okay, team," Emma said, holding a box of decorations. "Let's make this place feel magical." Sophia pulled out a shiny gold garland. "This will look amazing on the staircase." Jake, holding a tangled string of Christmas lights, sighed. "Why do these always get tangled? It's like they do it on purpose." Liam picked up a Santa hat and put it on. "I'm in charge of music." He grabbed his guitar and started playing a silly version of Jingle Bells. Lucy was already in the kitchen preparing hot chocolate for everyone. "You guys work on decorating, and I'll handle the snacks. Deal?" As the evening went on, the house transformed into a cozy winter wonderland. There was a tall Christmas tree in the corner, covered in colorful lights and handmade ornaments. "Not bad," Jake said after plugging in the lights, which flickered to life. "Not bad. It's perfect," Emma said, admiring their work. One evening, as the friends sat in the living room sipping hot chocolate, Lucy made an announcement. "How about we cook a special Christmas dinner together this year?" she suggested. "Together?" Jake asked. "You've seen me in the kitchen. I can barely boil water." "Don't worry," Lucy said with a grin. "I'll supervise. Everyone can help with something small." "I'll handle dessert," Emma said excitedly. "I've been dying to try making a gingerbread house." "I'll do the decorations and the table setting," Sophia offered. Jake shrugged. "Fine, I'll help, but only if I get to use the cool electric carving knife." "And I'll write a Christmas song for us to sing during dinner," Liam said. On Christmas Eve, the house was buzzing with activity. Lucy was in the kitchen, directing everyone like a professional chef. "Emma, careful with the frosting. That gingerbread house is supposed to look edible," Lucy called out. "I'm trying," Emma said, sticking a gumdrop onto the roof. "This is harder than it looks." Sophia was arranging candles and a centerpiece on the table. "We need more sparkle," she said, sprinkling glitter on the tablecloth. Meanwhile, Jake was attempting to peel potatoes. "Why is this taking forever?" he grumbled. "Because you're holding the potato upside down," Liam teased, laughing. He was sitting in the corner, strumming his guitar and occasionally shouting, "Need help? Nope. Okay, I'll keep playing." By the time the food was ready, the kitchen looked like a war zone. There were flour and frosting smudges everywhere, and someone had spilled cranberry sauce on the floor. "Wow," Lucy said, looking at the mess. "If the food tastes as good as the kitchen looks bad, this will be the best dinner ever." When everything was finally ready, the group sat at the beautifully decorated table. The feast included roast chicken, because none of them wanted to cook a full turkey, mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, and Emma's slightly crooked, but delicious, gingerbread house as dessert. "This looks amazing," Sophia said, raising her glass of sparkling cider. Lucy smiled. "It's not perfect, but we made it together. That's what matters." Before they started eating, Liam stood up. "Wait, I wrote a song for this moment," he said, picking up his guitar. He began to play a funny, slightly off-key Christmas song. "It's Christmas time in this crazy house. We made a mess, but we're happy now. Jake peeled potatoes the wrong way round, and Emma's frosting is all over the ground. But we're together, and that's what counts. Merry Christmas to us." Everyone laughed and clapped, joining in for the chorus. After dinner, the friends exchanged gifts. They had all agreed to buy small, meaningful presents for each other. Jake gave Lucy a cookbook titled The Lazy Chef, which made her laugh. Emma gave Sophia a handmade scarf in her favorite color. "I love it," Sophia said, wrapping it around her neck. Sophia gave Liam a notebook for his song lyrics with a note inside for the next hit Christmas song. Liam gave Jake a mug that said, "World's okayest gamer." "Perfect," Jake said, grinning. And Lucy surprised Emma with a set of fancy baking tools. "Now you can make even more frosting disasters," Lucy teased. Later that night, after the dishes were washed and the house was quiet, the friends sat by the fireplace with mugs of hot chocolate. This was the best Christmas ever," Emma said softly. "Agreed," Jake said. even if I never want to see another potato again. I think the best part was just being together, Sophia said. Liam raised his mug. To us, the weirdest, messiest, and best roommates in the world. To us, everyone echoed, clinking their mugs together. Outside, snow began to fall, covering the street in a soft white blanket. Inside, the house was filled with warmth, laughter, and love. The perfect Christmas to remember.
If you want to improve your English by listening to stories, please subscribe us.